Welcome to the channel. In this episode I'm going to demonstrate a way to make all your DIY caulking projects super easy and professional looking. These are the supplies you'll need for this project. First, as you can see, my area is nice and clean here, free of debris. Then you want to start applying your tape parallel to the surface you're caulking. I like to use this yellow painter's tape. Good quality tape, easy to peel off. Also for paint, caulking projects, anything like that, it's going to minimize the bleeding under the tape, so your lines will be nice and crisp and beautiful looking. Again, you want to make sure you're parallel. And remember, there's no rush here. Take your time. Once you're happy with the line, press it down. And then you want to make sure that you're applying it to all your edges where your caulking's going to come in contact with. Okay, once you're happy with your lines, start applying a thin bead of caulking. Try to make it as smooth as you possibly can. But don't worry if you're not, we're just going to spread it out after anyway. So okay, we've got the bottom done. Do your sides. Also, caulking does come in a variety of colors. I'm using a gloss white. Matches my cupboards. With your thin bead applied, you want to spread out your caulking, make it nice and smooth, nice and even. I like to use the blue nitrile gloves for this. Caulking's hard to get off your skin. And then once you're happy with your lines, you feel you've got it smoothed out to the point that you like, Start removing your painter's tape. With all the tape removed, just take a look how beautiful that turned out. Everyone can do this at home. Super easy to do. Turns out beautiful. Looks professional. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Till next time, take care.